or does Grandma need to?
Mason open.
Okay, Mason, open it.
Is that what
You know, it's really poor. No, we're just going to put on. Okay. Oh, nice.
Put it on.
Put it on. Very good. Pretty bad when you have to decorate your own birthday cake, you know. Okay.
What's this?
What color is that?
This.
Okay, we need green as well. It came out. Put it over here on the S. Put some sprinkles on the S. On the M. Even better. Oh, you did nice work. Yeah, cover up the fingerprint. Okay.
Leave it open.
We'll leave it open. Alright, what else do we need? Should we put some red on a border? Should we do a border?
Yeah.
Do you know what a border is?
Yeah.
Okay, watch.
What?
Watch. Ready?
Yeah. Bottle.
Isn't there?
Birthday cake.
There. How's that? Is that enough?
Blue.
Where's the blue going to go?
Right. Right here.
You show it.
You show it.
He's only 2 months, Mom. Green. Okay.
Mason, open it.
Mason, open it.
Grandma has to.
Grandma has to. Grandmas are good for something, aren't they? Your grandma cat would be so proud. Okay. All right. Are we done? Okay. Are we done?
Mason, can you say bye-bye?
Say bye-bye. Mason, how old are you?
How old are you today?
Should we sing? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mason. Happy birthday to you. Mason is 2 today.